All right, hello everyone. Vitaly Dubinin is here. I'm super excited to share with you an incredible opportunity, a special guest, Matt, that is right here, gonna share with everyone how you can make a lot of money trading meme coins. Now, meme coins, I believe, is entering a super cycle. This is what is creating so much buzz around the world, so many meme coins launching every day. And many people found a way how to make huge amounts of money on meme coins. And most people do it wrong. Most people lose money on meme coins, but there are some people who are doing it very, very right. In fact, they're making not hundreds, but thousands of percentages and making millions of dollars. And this opportunity is going to share with you a very unique set of tools that were developed for the last 17 months that will allow you to fully automatically trade meme coins from the insiders. There are people who know what they're doing, they have a proven track record, and they're making a lot of money. And what if you can simply copy what they're doing? Now, this is something I know everyone I shared is extremely excited and interested about. So we're going to dive into something very early on. It's not even live yet. It's going to be live very, very soon. I think in like a week or so. And you're getting this information super, super early. And I believe if you pay attention for the next 20 to 30 minutes, this opportunity with meme coins is not just going to allow you yourself to make a fortune trading on your money, but also create such an awesome passive income streams that I believe some people make 6 or 7 figures a month with this opportunity. So the timing could not be more perfect as Bitcoin breaking all-time high, and the entire crypto community is excited about the bull market. So here we are right now. Pay close attention. I'm very excited to introduce you to this gentleman, Matt, who is representing this incredible team of developers, development company, has been working very hard on this product, and he will share with you everything about how it works. And after we're all done, if you have any questions, you'll be able to answer. So welcome to the show, Matt. Super excited to have you here. Let's dive right into it.
Perfect. Thank you for the great introduction, Vitaly. I will just share my screen right away so we can dive in right away. So the whole project is called Bitfoot. And quickly said, Bitfoot is the fastest trading platform that's out there. You might have heard of sniper bots because it's more trending in the Memecoin market. And quickly explained, what is a sniper bot? Sniper bot is a tool that helps you, especially in the decentralized market, for meme coins to buy faster and to sell faster. Why is speed so important? Because everybody who traded in meme coins know that the market is way more volatile than the crypto space. Why? Because the market capitalization is way smaller, meaning a little volume can already increase the price a lot. And there's a lot of charts, a lot of new tokens launched where you can see in a minute chart that the price increases for 80% in only 1 or 2 minutes. And if you do manual transactions, for example, for Uniswap, for Phantom, for other wallets, these transactions can take up to, for example, 15 seconds. And if you're unlucky and the price surge is too high, the slippage is too high, then the transaction fails and you have to do it one more time, meaning then you are 30 seconds, 45 seconds, or even 60 seconds later in the market than you actually wanted to do. So you're missing out on profits on every entry and on every exit. And that's where SniperBot is essential. And that's also one reason why every meme coin trader that's doing it on a regular basis and doing it professionally uses a SniperBot, because you can enter the market faster and you can exit the market faster. And here with Bitfoot, we are the fastest SniperBot that's on the market. And I always say, okay, people can easily say we are the fastest, and PDFs can also easily be editable. That's why we also have the proof where we show the people, because we are openly showing everything, how the action is really working. I can show you right away how this whole proof that we share also with the community and will be also available to you to share with others, where on the right side, we can see a wallet, which is doing manually a transaction. On the left side, we see right now the top 5 best sniper bots on the market. We have Banana Gun, we have Maestro, we have U-Bot, and we have Trojan. And on the other side, also Bitfoot. All those sniper bots are connected through copy trading with this wallets that will do now a manual transaction. And you will see how fast every of those sniper bots recognizes the transaction and then executes it. Very important to understand, recognizing is not executing, because you will see that there's other sniper bots that also recognize at the same time as Bitfoot, but they don't execute. And execution means that from this moment you are in the market and not from just recognizing. So I will share this real quick with you. You can see here, the swap transaction is being done. And in the same second, you can see it's done. Bitfoot right away already recognized the transaction. Trojan also detected the transaction. But if we look closely, we see here Bitfoot as the very first one, only like a few milliseconds later, also already executes the transaction on the open market. And here comes the big edge. Because if you look closely now, how long the other sniper bots need to execute, because you can see here, detected by copy, but it's still not executed, as it's showing private transaction sent, waiting for result. So here we will see, okay, it's 2 seconds, it's 3 seconds, it's 4 seconds. Now it's the next one, the transaction executes successfully. And from then on, we can see further that it also happens, for example, on one side with then Maestro executing, and on the other side, that with also Trojan and Banana Gun. So here we have an edge really with the speed over the market. And especially when we talk about copy trading, it's even more interesting, because you have to imagine there is insider wallets out there and people that are following those wallets. And if people use a slower sniper bot and you use the fastest one and following this insider wallet, you will always be on first position, meaning the people that use the slower bot will be your volume that you can already use as profit. That's number one, and why speed is so essential. Coming to the second part, which Bitfoot also provides, and that is our Academy section. Here, all the people get access to our ultimate sniper community, where they get the knowledge, like one of our experts in the team that made in the last meme coin cycle 7 figures in profit, and he shares his knowledge, his strategies with everybody. We have a community chat, we will have weekly calls, and we will also have a video Academy section where we'll dive deep into those themes, like finding, for example, new coins, what to look out for, what are the for sniping strategies, meme coin dip strategies, where we look at the structure and show you how to find the best entries. And I think what's most interesting for everybody is how to find and copy those elite traders. We also like to call them insider wallets, because if you look at the price structure of meme coins, you mostly see the same thing. At the bottom, only a few traders enter, then the price surges for like 5, 10, 20x, and then they sell with the most profits. And the reason why they enter so low and can make so big profits mostly is because of insider information. That's why we call them insider wallets. And the good thing here is, as the blockchain is completely transparent, it's possible to track those traders, to find out their wallets, and to copy and paste them into our sniper bot. Meaning from that moment, if this trader also has in 5 days or in 10 days another insider information and buys the token, you don't have to do anything, because his wallet is connected to yours through our copy trading system. And in the same moment he buys, your wallet also executes the same trade. In the same moment he sells with profit, your wallet executes the same trade. So how does this look in action? I can show you right away. So here, for example, we have the sniper bot active on our Telegram. And for us, it was really important to make the onboarding as simple as possible, meaning you just start the bot, and from there you click on copy trade. So from the moment where you click on copy trade, you just can insert a wallet that you found on one side that we as a community give out to everybody. And on the other side, also through the Academy, we show how we select wallets and find them. So you can also take the strategy and look out for wallets every single day also by yourself. So here, when you want to add a wallet, what you do, you click on add wallet, you give it a name, for example, test 1. I have then an address I can type in here, and then I just confirm on add. If I confirm on add, the wallet is then implemented in here. And from that moment, every single transaction that this wallet is doing, my wallet is also executing. And the best part here is because some people will ask, okay, but some traders, they trade with 5,000, with 3,000, with 2,000. I don't have that kind of money. So we also implemented here another setting, which when you click on the wallet itself, it's called amount mode. So here I can click on it and I can type in, for example, 0.1 Solana, meaning from that moment, it doesn't matter if the trader trades with 10,000, with 5,000, or with 50, my wallet will execute it with 0.1 Solana, meaning $15. So the full control is on your side, and you don't have to worry that you lose everything with one trade, because the settings you can individually paste in and trade like you want. And the best part of it is the user himself is 100% in control, meaning there is no third party that is working with your money or you are giving your money away, but the money is always on your wallet and you can withdraw every single second, everything. You can withdraw every single second, every profit, and you even have the possibility in an active copy trade. For example, the trader wants to sell at 200%, but you say, okay, 120% is enough for me. You can manually close the trade and also withdraw that amount. So 100% control on the user side. I think that's a very, very important point here. And from the moment where we have the copy trade activated, you don't have to do anything. You will just get the notifications when our software recognizes a transaction. This will look like that, and you will get the notification on Telegram, meaning it will show you for 5 Solana, this trader bought, for example, Zasha, and my wallet copied for 0.1 Solana the trade. He bought for 0.1 Solana and he sold for 35%. Same thing a little bit later, he bought LARP for 0.1 Solana and he sold for 41%. And I think here, a very important part is also the automatic marketing. So here we wanted to make it as simple as possible to share these results, meaning that every time a trade is closed, you will immediately get a picture showing you the details of the trade, the token that you bought, how long you've been holding it, the percentage you made, the money in dollar you made, and on the right bottom side, you have your username and your ref link in the QR code, meaning people can scan it and be right away in your sniper bot, in your downline, meaning from every single transaction lifetime, you will earn your affiliate commission. So here the process is really easy, and the onboarding system is also very, very simple. This is important because people will start sharing 3 pictures, 5 pictures, 10 pictures, and people will get crazy because they will be thinking, okay, I see this every single day, but can you tell me more? Because I can't imagine that I'm missing out on that. And the best part of it, every single transaction, when the trade is closed, you also have the transaction hash, because people then might be saying, okay, if I see every single day percentage and profits, is this maybe just Photoshop? Is this even real? So you have the transaction hash where you can click on it, which will bring you down to SoldScan. For example, let's just switch to another browser. And you can see, oh, it works even here. We can see the whole transaction happening on the blockchain itself, which you can then transparently give to the people as well when sharing the picture. So you have real transparency with every single transaction. And this gets even crazier because this one right here, what we see now with our sniper bot, this is only regular profits. When we're talking about insider wallets, that's where the big money is coming from. And to give you more insight, you have to look closely here. So on 10th October at 3:50 in the night, I was sleeping. My phone was offline, but my wallet was connected to this insider. And he bought for 0.1 Solana jelly. 30 minutes later at 4:20, he sold those jelly for 0.568 Solana, meaning he made close to 600%, 30 minutes while I was sleeping. And the best part is I was only testing with 0.1 Solana, but you can also see the trader himself, he traded with 2 Solana and sold for 14 Solana, meaning he made in 30 minutes close to $3,000. And if I would trade it with the same amount as him, I would have done the exact same.
Hallelujah. It's incredible.
Yes.
$3,000 in 30 minutes.
That's really incredible. But here comes even the more crazier part, because we can see, for example, the same trader that he did here an insider trade. Also, I've been still following him. So, okay, we can see here 80%, we can see 130%. But for example, 3 days ago, this guy also made a trade and he bought the coin Horny. You can see duration. He was holding it for 4 days and 17 hours. So I was doing the same. And he sold it 3 days ago for 3,468%. I inserted with $14, 0.1 Solana, and made $402 in just this trade. And the best part here is this wasn't even 100% of the position. He only sold 75% of the position because he got some insider news that it will still maybe grow. So what happened a day later? The guy sold the rest of the position, meaning 25% of the position, 1 day later for 6,594%, meaning extra $255, meaning from a trade with $14, I made close to $700 just with this one token. And that's where it goes the crazy part, because people follow insider wallets. And I always say the meme coin market is very, very fast moving. And it's hard to make profits in it if you are not an expert. But you don't have to sit there every single day and look for what's trending right now, who's trading which token. No, the only thing that you have to do, and that's what we're showing you also from the Academy section, is where can I find those tokens? Where can I find those traders and copy them, meaning every single trade will be executed from my wallet. And you can do this process every single day, but you can also do it only 1 time per month. For example, I traded here 3 traders from the last 3 weeks. And since then, I didn't even add more traders on. With those traders, I already make great profits. And till this profit and P&L are not decreasing, I will stick with those traders. So here, even the same thing is when you see those big profits, you also can share always the transaction success. I mean, we can always click on that link, which will open always the transaction details. And you can also see here, we look on the transaction, he sold Horny for $436 in this one transaction. So every of those transactions, no matter how crazy they are, you always have the blockchain proof, which you can share with everybody. So coming now to the next part, which is the token. So we have our own utility token, which combines this whole ecosystem. So this utility token has some features. We have on one side our SniperBot access. On the other side, we have our community course access. We had here now our pre-registration open for a few days and told by everybody that our first 1,000 members will get this access completely for free. We have now such high interests from different communities where people also want to jump on this project and get all this available. So we had now over 3,000 people already pre-registered, and we said we will extend this phase till the end of the pre-sale, meaning everybody who will get in here now also has the availability to get it completely for free lifetime. Afterwards, the pre-sale, every single member that comes in and wants to use the SniperBot or the Academy only has to hold $50 worth of Bitfoot token on their wallet to get this access. The reason behind that is that every single day our community will grow. Every single day people will have to buy Bitfoot token, meaning we have every single day buy power coming into the market. On the other side, we also have every single day more individual wallets holding Bitfoot token, which is then very interesting for step 2, when we talk about central exchange listings like Binance or KuCoin, because they look at the total amount of holders of the token, and the bigger this number, the easier it gets to get listed there. And the best part here is those $50, it's not even like a price that you have to pay to get this access, because you can buy today, $50 worth of Bitfoot, you can sell in 6 months in profit, and still during the time, you could use everything completely for free. So you can see more like a little membership tattoo that you put on and you can remove every single time. Coming to the third part, and I always like to highlight this part because I see it as the heart of the project. And if you understand it, you'll also understand why. So this is the buyback feature. So to give you some more insights on that is same as an exchange like Binance or KuCoin, you have a trading fee for every trade that you enter and that you exit. Same scenario we have here with our sniper bot, meaning for every buy and every sell, there's a 1% trading fee. From this 1%, 50% goes out to our affiliate program, and 10% will be used to buy back tokens from the market and burn them immediately to ensuring healthy growth. So here to understand, those 10% are not landing on some wallet where someone's manually buying and selling how he wants. No, these 10% are coded in the smart contract, meaning at the moment a transaction is happening, 1% fee is deducted and 10% flows automatically into the market, buying tokens from the open market and burning them immediately. Meaning this burning mechanism is that those tokens can't be sold higher from the team. Those tokens get deleted from the blockchain and the total supply of tokens gets decreased every single day, while every single day we also have buy power coming into the market. And if you understand the process of this, because mostly in the crypto markets and the crypto space, you will say, or especially in the meme coin space, you say, if the community is positive, the price goes up. The community is negative, the price goes down. Here you could say it's completely irrelevant because even when the community is neutral or negative, still transaction happening on the sniper bot, volume is being generated. From this volume, a trading fee is automatically deducted. And from that, 10% is flowing every single day into the market to buy back those tokens. And to give you more insights here in comparison from projects that already implemented such buyback system, I have here a comparison on one side with Bonk, on the other side with Banana. You might know those projects because they're very, very successful and had a healthy, great price growth. So if we look closely, for example, Banana had a pre-sale at 75 cents. They've been now listed a few months ago on Binance after 1 year, had an all-time high of $75, meaning they had a 100x in 1 year, mainly based because of the 10% buyback, meaning more community is growing every single day, more people are coming in, more volume is being generated, meaning more buybacks coming into the market every single day. And the best part also, the buyback is a completely transparent thing, which you can track on the blockchain. So same thing here on the below chart, you can see the buyback volume happening in the market of Bonk. And if you compare the buyback volume with the price section of Bonk, you can see how similar this moves. More volume happening, more buybacks happening. This increases the price and pushes the price to the top. So to give you also here a little example, because we have the insights of Banana. After 1 year, they have an active user amount of 6,200 members. And I always like to mention that everybody who had a little bit of experience in affiliate marketing knows that this is not a big number. We can now tell that only from the pre-registration that we have now, hitting already over 3,000 members, probably till Sunday of the pre-sale, we will hit 5,000 to 10,000 members, and that will be only day 1. And the good part is here, because we are providing our affiliate marketing system and giving out up to 50% to the people. And that's the vision behind it. If people are earning a lot of money, they are also more willing to share a project like that. Because, for example, Banana, they're working very traditionally, working only on one level with 10%, and mainly through online marketing ads on some platforms. So still, what I wanted to say is, with those 6,200 members, they have a daily trading volume of 54 million, meaning 1% of that is 540,000, which is fees. The half of it we give out into affiliate commission, and 10% is going into buyback every single day, meaning we have 5 figures to, I think if we grow, also we'll have to 6 figures coming into every single day into the market, buying back tokens and burning them immediately. So now some people might be saying, okay, but 54 million in trading volume, that's a huge number. But here you have to understand, trading volume is not the same as own capital. Meaning here I made a small example where I took $150, 1 Solana, and I traded with that approximately, you could say 10 tokens per day. I bought them and I sold them after for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Here, we will also only calculate with an average profit of 10%. Even when you've seen before 100, 1,000 and something else, we will calculate very worst case scenario. So here, I was buying for 150 and I was selling for 165, meaning I only made $15 in profit. Still, I generated $350 in trading volume. I do this now 10 times a day. At the end of the day, with the same scenario, I would have generated $3,150 in trading volume with an own capital of $150. And if I do this now for a month, let's say we cut off the weekends because we don't want to trade on weekends, and we cut off some days during the week too. We only calculate with 20 days per month. At the end of the month, I would have a trading volume of $63,000. And now comes the interesting part, because here now we will start calculating how it looks like for affiliates that also want to share the project. And also here we will calculate worst case scenario, because most people, I guess, will easily get in 50, 100, 1,000 people, because in the end, it's a project and a tool which is completely for free. Everybody can trade with the amount that he wants, and he gets the academy also completely for free. So sharing a link with someone is more like a gift, because people can then look into the meme coin markets, they can educate themselves, and they can start with their own amount that they feel free by trading with. So here, with this example, we have 10 people with the same capital of $150, doing the same scenario, meaning 10 trades per day, 20 days per month. At the end of the month, you would have a trading volume in your downline of $630,000. And from this, if we only count the direct commission of 25% on those trading fees, you would have earned at the end of the month $1,575. And now comes the interesting part, because if you are realistically, you will not count with 10 people, you would count with 50, you would count with 100 or even more. And all of those people won't be trading only with 150, but they will be trading with 300, 600, 1,500, or also even more. So all this multiplication on both sides also end up in the commission at the end of the month. So to be here very realistically, with a little bit of a community, it will be easily to earn here 5 to, I think, even 6 figures. And I think also very, very big leaders that will work with this project will also be able to earn here 7 figures every single month. And the best part here is, as it's a completely different onboarding system, you are not selling one package where you get a one-time commission and have to think of, what do I have to upsell him? Do I have to get in more people in every single day? No, people get in for free. They can decide how much they want to trade with. And it doesn't matter if they trade this week, in 3 months, or in 5 years. Every single transaction, lifetime, you will get your transaction fee in the same second. The best part here is because I was only mentioning 25%, but before I told you something about up to 50%. So let's jump right into that, how this looks like. Here we have our multi-level system. On the first level, we have 25%. On the second level, we have 5%. On the third level, we have 3.5%. And then we have a partner bonus, which you can get access to from 10 million trading volume on your free levels, meaning this can be hit very easily, I think, in 2 to 4 weeks. After that, you get access on the first level with a bonus of up to 10%, meaning you get 35%. And you get access to a fourth and a fifth level with 2.5%. The good thing here is, as it's a decentralized project, meaning there is no third party holding your money where you have some locking period or have to wait till you get your commission. In the same second, transaction is happening, the trading fee is deducted. From that, your commission is being calculated and comes right into your wallet, which you can claim in the very second. So here we have some leaders that asked us also, okay, is there any possibility to earn even after the 5th level? And yes, also here we have something that is called our Bitfoot community staking pool. So you have to imagine, of this 1% fee, 50% goes to our affiliate marketing. 50% is still there for the company. And from the company side, 40% goes into this community pool. So you can see it as a 40% equity of the whole company, of the whole structure and the whole volume. Doesn't matter if it's in your 17th level, if it's in your 50th level, or if it's a sideline in his 14th level. The whole volume of the whole structure gets into this pool, and the more Bitfoot token you hold, the bigger is your equity of this pool, which gets rewarded.
This is for the entire company or just your pool?
From the entire company.
Okay.
So this is now really a total pool. So it doesn't matter if it's only your community or someone else's community. It's more like a community pool, meaning that everybody that pushes this project, the whole volume that comes inside will be here rewarded back to our community members. The
This
best
is
part
for
is
rewarding token holders.
correct. Exactly. So the more tokens you hold, the more you get from this pool, which gets to you rewarded every single day, meaning you have here creating an extra source of passive income.
Passive income. That's what we love.
Exactly. So coming to the very last part, which is the pre-sale. When does it start? Right now, we have only the positioning for like individuals right now. So if you go on bitfoot.com and click on the link that you get from your leaders, because you have also here an extra, what we announced yesterday, where when you get from someone's link and you buy the tokens over 5,000, you will get an extra 5% bonus on top of the tokens that you bought. The pre-sale starts on Sunday, this Sunday, the 3rd November at 7 p.m. Central Europe time. And from that moment, it will be able to buy the tokens. We have 7 different phases, meaning from the first phase, it starts at 7 cents, and last phase starts at 14 cents. At 14 cents, the token will be then listed on Uniswap, meaning if you are fast, if you are quick and you're lucky and you get the 7 price, you can already start at the exchange with 100% in profit. The price increases at the pre-sale will be in 1 cent steps. And here, the only thing that you have to do is connect your wallet. When you go to the website, you click on get referral link, connect your wallet, and you will then be connecting it either with MetaMask, Phantom, or the others that we provide you. You then have to provide either Ether, USDT, or USDC on the Ethereum blockchain. And when the counter timer on the website goes to 0, you are then able to just claim the tokens, to purchase, and then also withdraw it. After the pre-sale is end, 24 to 48 hours later, the token will be listed on the exchange, and then also the sniper bot will be available for everybody. One last thing, if we talk about the raised volume, because we've seen other projects, especially like in the crypto space, that like to tend to raise 20 millions, 25 millions, or even more. And we see it as a bad thing because all the volume, all the buy power is going into the pre-sale. Then the token gets listed and there is no more buy power on the open market, meaning the token is on one level and doesn't really grow from there. So we wanted to make it different. We said we want to make it as limited as possible. Only give this opportunity now to insiders that are lucky that they got this information. That's why we said it's only 3 million. And from the registered token, from the registered wallets that already now connected and the volume behind it, we can tell that the pre-sale will be sold out in a few minutes, which is a good thing from our side because we can tell that after the pre-sale, not everybody will be able to get those Bitfoot tokens and they have to buy from the open market, meaning from day one, we have enough buy power and volume going into the open market, meaning the price increase from day one, we can here ensure everybody. Last thing, but not least, because we also seen at some pre-sales, the problem which projects made is that they have the pre-sale and people tend, when they get the very low price, to dump everything when the price gets listed on the exchange. So here we also have some little security for the community plus for also the chart. As we said, everybody who buys at the pre-sale, 25% of your tokens you get available right away. The rest of the tokens you get available in 9-month linear vesting, meaning you get every single day all the other tokens in like daily portions. We also didn't want to make it weekly or monthly because then you see people and those dump charts in the chart. But by doing it daily, we have a healthy price growth and people can then also be here very secure on this side. Yes, that was now everything regarding the whole Bitfoot project, the sniper bot and the priest himself. So I hope that everybody got all the answers that he was looking for. And yeah, thank you very much, Vitaly. And
thank you, man. It was absolutely beautiful what you've shared, the simplicity, the beauty of this. I think this is what everyone is looking for. How can I benefit from all of this meme coin trading and not get lost in all of this, but actually be very smart and strategic about it? And you have built with your company a beautiful project. Maybe you mentioned a couple of words who is behind this, where they're located? Like there is a big team.
Yes.
Who is, yeah.
Yeah, very, very happy to share that. It's like the team themselves are like a huge Web3 company that's been in Web3 since more than 10 years. They have like a huge headquarters in the Czech Republic, meaning they are real developers with 140 developers in-house, which is very important when we talk about Web3 projects, because there are always some individuals, they try to do some team and work on a project. But here we are working with one of the best Web3 companies in whole Europe that is providing us all this function, all this technology for everybody.
Amazing. And I believe you're gonna do a lot of marketing when it launches. To some portion of the pre-sale is gonna dedicate to marketing to bring this community huge.
Correct. So we have like a very, very big part of the pre-sale is dedicated to marketing, where we already have collaborations with huge communities that also already use sniper bots in the community space. Because when we talk about promotions, we see it completely different than, for example, other crypto projects, because others tend to get some celebrities in to just get awareness and audience. But this is not volume that's really helping the whole project. So we have a completely different strategy on that. With our collaborations, we tend to go with people that already have communities in the Sniperbot market, like, for example, Trojan communities with over 15,000 users on that Sniperbot, and we can give them collaborations, meaning for them, it's a no-brainer to use a faster tool, and that's also giving you way more rewards through the affiliate program. So they will come to our platform with 15,000 users. So they will use the platform itself, the software, they will generate volume, which then in the second step, through the buyback system, will then help to grow the price.
Yeah, I'm looking forward for this pre-sale. I'm gonna snatch as much coins as I can. I think you're right, it's gonna be sold out in a couple minutes. So you mentioned it's gonna be on Sunday, right? It's gonna be on
Correct.
which date exactly? 3rd of November?
3rd of November, correct.
3rd of November at 10 p.m. Dubai time.
Correct. So for everybody that goes on the website, there's also counter timer, so you can't miss it out. And when the counter timer goes to 0, the pre-sale is open and you can start also buying. One last thing that I forgot to mention, as for the pre-sale itself, when you connect your wallet, you also have the possibility to get a referral link. You can create a referral link and share it with people. And if people buy the Bitfoot token through your link, you also get a 10% commission right away in USDT, meaning you don't have to wait till the whole pre-sale ends, but if phase 1 ends, phase 2 started, your commission is right away claimable and you can withdraw it on your wallet.
So from 3 million, you're given $300,000 on one level, 10%.
Correct.
Okay. And after the Telegram bot start, it's going to be a couple days after the pre-sale, correct?
Correct.
And there's going to be a different affiliate link. So people who are having this referral link right now, it's only for the pre-sale. After it launches the Telegram bot, it's going to be a different referral link. Is that correct?
That is correct, but we still have here the possibility that if people connect with the same wallet as they did on the pre-sale, and they use the same wallet to synchronize on the Sniper bot, the system will also automatically detect that connection, and they will also automatically be in your system.
Gotcha. Okay. And they'll connect to the Telegram with like you mean the same Ethereum wallet? Because there's gonna be.
Correct.
Okay. Can you share me this slide that you shared with me earlier about the 5-level structure?
Yes, sure.
You had some different slides.
Which slide you talking about?
The image that you shared with the.
Oh, I know what you mean. I shared to you. Just give me 1 second, because it's still not publicly available, but I shared it already with Vitaly. So our team is working
early.
Exactly. So we have here the slides that we talked about, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so this is how the big money has been made here is from all the trading fees from the communities.
Correct.
every time somebody buys, every time somebody sells, 1% is charged, which is reasonable, and half of that is going to compensate the community builders. So it's beneficial here to build as wide first level as possible as you can. Just this is where you get the most amount of volume, and it's a instant reward, instant passive income coming every single day. So I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna definitely participate in this. And thank you so much, Matt. I'm gonna open a little Q&A session right now for those who are live. So yeah, for those watching the recording, you can register, connect your wallet, and get ready for the pre-sale. And after the pre-sale is over, if you're able to snatch some Bitfoot, I think it has the potential to do 100x, maybe more, because of the tokenomics and how it's set up. And after that, start using and testing the sniper bot. So thank you very much. Let's do a little Q&A.